Welcome to Vasion Print, a solution for simple, secure, and scalable print management. Before we begin, I would like to note that the interface in this video may look slightly different from your instance of Vasion Print. That's because we're using the Vasion Print unified experience with Vasion Automate in this video. But whether you're using Vasion Print on its own or as part of Vasion Automate, everything you see here works the same way. Standard Vasion Print features work with just the desktop client installed on the user's device. However, some advanced features, such as output automation, the control panel application, CPA, off-network printing, and offline secure release print, to name a few, require a dedicated machine running additional services called a service client. A service client is simply a workstation or server running the Vasion Print client that has been promoted to provide additional services within your instance. Think of it as your advanced service manager, handling advanced tasks that regular workstation clients can't perform. For this demonstration, we'll walk through creating a Windows service client. Creating a Windows service client is straightforward. First, install and authorize the Vasion Print client on your chosen machine, preferably a server or a workstation that is always on. In the admin console, navigate to your desired folder, select New, and then select Service Client. Enter a name and the IP address or host name of the chosen machine, then select Add Service Client. Refresh the browser to see the service client. On the service client machine, right-click the Vasion Print icon in the system tray and select Refresh Configuration. Refreshing the client pulls down the new service client assignment, and the device begins running additional services enabled on the service client object in the admin console. To verify it's working, open Task Manager. You'll see the standard printer logic processes plus one more, Printer Logic Service Manager.exe, confirming your service client is active and ready. With your service client enabled, you unlock advanced features like Control Panel Application, CPA, for secure printing with badge release. Email printing that lets users send documents directly to printers via email. Off-network printing for secure remote access without VPNs. Simple badge release for printers without touchscreen displays. For optimal performance, deploy your service client on a dedicated server or always-on workstation that meets our minimum system requirements. This ensures 24/7 availability for critical print services. Whether you need offline secure printing, remote access, or advanced monitoring, the Vasion Print Service Client gives you the foundation to deploy enterprise-grade features with confidence. Want to learn more? Check out our other videos for deeper insights into Vasion Print's advanced features.